Hi everyone, Esteban here at FlexPipe headquarters. Today I want to talk about the HJ-21 connector. This is going to be the double connector. So now with just two, we can do what we used to have to do with 4 connectors in the past. So it's going to help you save inventory as far as your H1s go. And again, this is going to be for any type of situation where you want to go ahead and double up pipes. It's just going to be a nice way to install these. Combines well with the HJ-13 in order to be able to join those 2 pipes together. Again, if you have something that's really long in span, this is just a great way to go ahead and tighten that together in the center. But primarily we're talking about the HJ-21, which is going to be great to join, for example, flow racks. Again, this is a good example here where we utilize the HJ-21s along with the HJ-13 to be able to have a nice solid stopper, as well as a great way to go ahead and hold a good amount of weight. So capacity wise, we're going to be able to essentially double up the capacity by using the HJ-21s. In the example that we have here for the workstation, we've used the setup here on the top to be able to go ahead and join the light. So now we have a good spacing between the two to be able to have a flat section in order to install this particular light there. So that's just an example of how to do it. Maybe it's a heavy duty workstation where you do need to work quite often with heavy duty equipment, so it's a great way to double up the pipes as well in that scenario. So again, think about just doubling up parallel pipes together, combine it with the HJ-13 in order to be able to really give it a good weight capacity. And that is it for today. So love to see what you guys are doing with the HJ-21, and I'll see you guys next time.